So, welcome back to Cyber Code and AI. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and also to click the notification bell. Today, we are going to develop a mobile application, but we are going to use AI mainly with the help of ChatGPT and another platform. So let us start developing it. First of all, go to Google, type docs like this, type docs AI prompt, because I want to get a good prompt. To develop an AI you need a prompt. So this is one of the docsbot AI that I use to generate my prompt for ChatGPT, such that ChatGPT can understand what I'm telling it to do, as you are going to see. But guys, do not forget to subscribe, even to support the channel to grow. At least we hit 1,000 subscribers. So here you can get any kind of prompt that you want, any kind of prompt that you want. You can get they are pre-created prompt which you can use, but also you can see here any prompt. For example, programming and coding. For example, when I click here, let me get something that is easy. Business and finance. Let me click here, business and finance. Yeah. So, but also you can put here any kind of prompt that you want. It depends on the application. For example, let us try to do what we call, for these guys who are doing forex trading, like day trading signal and electrical guide. Let me do this day signal. For example, it all. Let me take this. Now this is a generated prompt. I'm going to copy it here. After copying, do not forget to subscribe. Let us grow the channel, this YouTube, to go further. So let me go here to ChatGPT. Then I want just to paste what I have copied. Of course, this is the strategy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say an app. So go on to make it as an app, for example. So let me leave ChatGPT doing its work. I can go here, go to create XYZ. So on XYZ, it is where we are going to create an application that sends signal. But what we are going to do, we are going back to ChatGPT. Here, let us go back. What happened to ChatGPT network? Yes. Now, create a mobile application in, for example, I'm going to use TypeScript create a mobile application prompt for the mobile app using TypeScript, comma, and CSS. So once you see here, ChatGPT also, it creates its own application, as you see here. But what I want to show you, for example, I'm going to copy this as it was from here. It was from here. Let me go direct here. Go to website called Create X. It is create like this. Create XYZ AI. So when you go here, Create X AI, it is loading. This one, you go to that one, then copy this prompt, go to docsbot, you copy a prompt, then you come back here on XY, you paste, and then it starts to generate a mobile application. So let us just wait and then we see, because we have seen that you can develop this using ChatGPT, but there are people who cannot develop, who cannot understand the code, who cannot even implement the code in VS. So it is better to use this one. I myself, I prefer using ChatGPT because I know how to configure this. For example, this is a React code. As it is, it goes on breaking until you start to build an application. But on this X and Y, you are getting, now it starts to develop. We are getting a mobile application, even with images maybe. So it takes a long time, but we wait. So we created page.gx, we wait. As you see here, but do not forget to subscribe, guys. Support the channel. Here I'm going to teach about cyber AI. This is our first video. We want to see what is going on. A good enough, even it has a database. A good enough, it has a database. Let me see here what is going on. It's still developing. It is still developing. It's still developing. So this is the first video of this part. This is part 1. I need to show you how to develop this application up to Google Play Store or App Store. So subscribe, click on the notification bell, go here, click on the notification bell, such that when I post a new video, you can be notified and you follow up. However, I don't know, we have, I think somehow Create XYZ, it is somehow slow, but it is creating more files, because when we are developing an application, we have a lot of files. For example, it created what we call a page.gx. So on the page.gx, you can look, but I think at the end it's going to give us a final prototype project. Now